So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut a long video into clips, the short clips that might be some different scenes from a long video or anything automatically. You don't need to do it manually. There's this feature that is scene detection in Premiere Pro that you can use in order to cut the video, a long video automatically into different clips. Now, in order to do it, just simply right click on the video clip. For example, this one, if this video has some different scenes, it will automatically cut that particular thing. Now in order to do it, just simply right click on that video clip, and here you'll see this option of scene edit detection. Just simply click over there, and here uncheck all the marks, and just simply mark this one that says apply a cut to each detection point, and hit on the option of analyze. Now once you do it, it will analyze and automatically cut the things where the it detects a cut. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.